Hello WordPress people, it's Bruce here, and let's continue on the development of our what I call raw theme. I don't know if it's the best word for it, but the goal now that we've added a menu, right, is to add a place to put widgets, right, like archives or search or just about any widget that someone can use the customizer, right, the WordPress customizer, to go in and see the widget, the widget option here, and then, the ability to add or remove widgets, right? So, on the codex, there is a function called, right, where are you? Right here. Called, where's the silly name? Okay, oh, register sidebar. There it is. Thank you. Okay, and then it takes a bunch of arguments, and those arguments happen to be an array. Okay, so I'll let you look up the register sidebar and note that a long time ago, right, before we had the ability, well, put it this way, blogs like WordPress blogs a long time ago, and for like all blogs for that matter, always used to have a sidebar, right? On the right side, you'd put, a whole bunch of things, or on the left side, depending upon where your sidebar was, right? But as you know, right, you don't have to put things in the sidebar, but just know that this function here, register sidebar, is most likely a carryover from years gone by, okay? So I'm just going to flip into my snippets file. And the first thing we're going to need to do, and I grabbed this from Popper, by the way, and I modified it for my theme, okay? So let me grab it, and then I want to show you what we're going to do, okay? So this is the register sidebar from Popper that I've modified, okay? I didn't feel like rolling my own. So I'm going to go into functions.php. Again, I'm going to edit functions.php. And I'm going to add right within the PHP tags here. And by the way, you don't need that closing PHP tag, so I'm just going to get rid of it. It can cause you trouble. So here I have the comments here that say register widget area. And here I put my theme name and then underscore widgets init. Again, just a function name. I'm following the popper / underscores naming convention here. And then I have a register sidebar function that has an array inside of it, which has a name and widget area and the theme name. This thing here is what we call a text domain. So this would be your theme name, okay? And widget area, I'll show you where this shows up later. You give it an ID, okay, and then a description, and then before the widget, what HTML tags after the widget, and then before the title and after the title, okay? And then you'll be able to go into your markup and not have to deal with this. Again, these classes are from Popper, and I like them. I think it's it's a good naming convention, okay? So check this out. I'll save it. I'll go back now to my what do you call it? Back to the customizer. Check it out. And now we have widgets. Okay. Now we have the ability in the customizer to add widgets, but we don't have anywhere on our page that's expecting to find those widgets, right? Okay. So they're registered, right? But we have nowhere to place them. Okay. So what we need to do is let's create a sidebar.php file. Sidebar.php. Okay. And that's going to be our sidebar, okay? It's just a PHP script, right? That's going to inject code into our page, okay, or pages. So I'm going to go back to my snippet file. That's not my snippet file. Let me go to my snippet file, okay, my untitled snippet file. And now I created the sidebar.php, and now I'm going to take again some code, okay, from Popper, okay, from Popper or underscores for either one, okay. And I'm now going to right-click on sidebar, and I'm going to edit it, okay. And now I'm going to put a opening PHP tag, and I will stick in the code. Now, what this does, okay. Oops, I'm missing some code here. Okay, hold on. I'm missing some code. Untitled. Here, I need this stuff too. Okay. copy, and right here. Okay, so what this is going to do is going to see if there is a sidebar active, and this is the thing we named it when we registered it, right? If it's not there, right, then we just return back. Else, we are going to grab and render any of the HTML that we need to, and then we're going to call our dynamic sidebar function with the ID that we gave it when we registered it. Okay, now again, these are, actually I need to close my PHP tag here. There we go. Okay, so these are the classes and ARIA tags here. This role equals complementary from Popper. Okay, again, I suggest you use them. It's all good. Okay, and let me save this now. And if we go back, okay, to the customizer, let me go back to the customizer. Okay, we do have the widgets here. Oh, we don't have the widgets there. You know why? Because, right, we have everything we need. However, in our index.php page, okay, in our index.php page, we need to call our sidebar. So right over here on line 23, I'm going to do get sidebar. Look it up on the codex, okay? And now I'll save it. And I'll go back here. I'm just going to refresh, see if this works. Okay, so here are widgets. And look at that. Now we have our widget area. Okay, and that's what we defined, if you remember, in when we registered the file, when we registered the sidebar, actually. So let's go back to functions.php. And you can see here, widget area. Okay, widget area. This is what we gave it as a name, right? So if I changed it to widgets area and I saved it, just to show you, okay, it would show up here as, let's go to widgets, widgets area, okay? So I'm going to change it back. I'm going to change it back to widget. I just wanted to show you that you could, in fact, change it. Let me refresh. And let's go to widgets and widget area. And now let's add, actually, I had these in here before. So I'm just going to, what should I keep them? Let's see, are they there? Yeah, they're there. Okay, so let me see if I can remove them. Okay, remove, and let's remove. I don't know why I didn't see that before. And now we have nothing in our widget area. See? Now, do you think you could put these widget areas anywhere you want as long as you put the appropriate code in there? Guess what? You can. Okay, so let me add a widget now, and let's just add archives, and let's add search. Okay, let's add search there, right there. And I'm going to put search above, and let's, you could put a title in there. Let's put search our site, okay? And you can see it down here, right? Search our site. And those are the tags, right, for the titles, right, being put in there, okay? And let's save and publish. And go back. And we should see our widgets here. Again, now you can put these anywhere. Okay, so I hope this video helps, and we're gonna, do some more building with some more elements in the next video.